Snakes.
Snakes.
And ladders.
And ladders.
But here we made a little twist because this lesson is about leprechauns, St. Patrick's Day. Remember the lesson?
Yeah, oh yeah.
So we did snakes and?
Rainbows.
Rainbows, that's right. Okay, very simple. Let's play. We need to roll a die. And you start here, you gotta get here in the finish line. And look, I put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it goes like this. Yes?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So boom, I win. No?
No. If you do a 3, you have to do a 2, 3. If you're on a rainbow or a ladder, you go up. If you're on the head of a snake, he swallows you, you go down. That's right. Okay, who wants to start?
I want to start.
She was quicker. Roll the die.
Roll the die! Roll the die!
Okay, 5.
5.
Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Can I?
No, that's to go
Ah, down.
down.
Yes.
Not up.
It's okay, you're safe though.
Can I play?
You may play.
Okay.
Roll the die.
Oh, it's so one.
Good one, yeah.
One. One.
Well, you're safe, you're not going down.
I know.
Okay, can I play? Please?
Yes. Let's go.
And 6.
Oh!
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Huh, what is this?
A question mark?
Yes, it's a question. If you answer correctly,
Okay.
you can stay. If you answer wrong,
Ooh.
you go back.
Oh.
So, you say stop.
And stop.
Okay? So I'm using cards from a previous lesson. What nationality are you? What is your nationality?
My nationality is. I'm French.
Yes, okay, well done.
Cool. She can stay. Okay.
You can stay.
Can I play?
You may play.
Roll the dice.
1, 2.
It's
I go up. It's a rainbow.
So you go up the rainbow.
Here?
No.
Here?
Right there. That's right.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Being too greedy here.
Okay,
Your turn. Yeah, you can play. Have a go.
6.
Whoa.
6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes!
Oh! She goes.
Down! She goes down! She goes down! I love this game.
Okay, so you play until you arrive at the finish line. The questions, of course, use any previous lesson. And here we did rainbows because it's about leprechauns, but usually it's ladders. Ciao.